Okay, today's topic is the heavy metal lead. I'm always confusing with the pronunciation, so let's get rid of it. How? It is heavy metal and can be very harmful to our body. It's toxic, okay? So let's keep this in mind. And when we say, oh, how was its pronunciation? We will say that it was harmful, it was toxic, so it will say to us, let me in, and I'm gonna harm ya, ha 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 ha. And that's it, because we will remember from here this similar pronunciation of them, okay? So this is not pronounced as the verb lead, but it is led. So it's similar to let. We imagine that this toxic lead is spoke to us and talked like, let me in and I'm gonna harm ya, okay? That's it. Happy New Year!